Crafty Divas, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a Temu haul. Make sure you click the subscribe and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. So I am going to be going on a buying freeze. I needed to purchase essential items I need to fulfill my orders. I have a really popular bracelet set. It's a couples bracelet set. It's a Spider-Man bracelet, and then it's a Spider-Gwen bracelet. And so these are all the beads I had left. This is Spider-Gwen one. This is the Spider-Man, and these are all I had left. And they pretty much sell out every week, so I needed more beads for that. And then I'm bringing some new collections, so let's get on into it. So the first essential bead, of course, more blue beads for the Spider-Man. These say dark blue, but let me see. They're pretty much the same color. So I got a pack of 100. And if I'm not mistaken, I got 3 of those. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them away. But yeah, they're really nice. I love this color blue. I'm gonna try to insert a photo of it or even a video of the bracelet. But if you watch my TikTok or if you are on my Instagram, I make packing videos and I post those a lot because those pretty much sell out every week. So the next essential item was the pink beads for these weeks. Again, I got 3. So just A&M pink beads. I really love these light color beads. So what they look like. I'm aiming to hit the camera, but I'm gonna get it. It looks like some are lighter, but they will work. Okay. Next essential bead is for the white part of the Spider-Gwen bracelet. And I think I only got 2. Nope, I got 3. Again, they are just white. These say white cream. Amen. These just say white. So they're just white, opaque. It's the ASMR. I love this sound if you can't tell. Pretty much stocked. It's overflowing. The next bead or the blue portion, it's like an aqua blue, and I only have 1 of those because they sold out. Same deal. These are just 8mm aqua blue glass beads. These are the glass. And I'm just gonna put them in here because it's gonna be used for that anyway. Next are the Spider-Man beads. So first, I already done the blue ones. Let's go ahead and get the red ones on the way. I got 2 packs of red. Oh, these look like candy. They're really nice and vibrant. It is pretty much full. And I have another set that I'm going to be using that for. Another bracelet that I'm going to be using those for. Next is the last part of the Spider-Man, which is the black beads. One bag of black, because these ones also sold out when I was purchasing restock. Oops, I had a red one left. So they're just back. Black basic beads. I'm gonna put it in here because I have to make this mix anyway. Next, I got some dark green 8mm glass beads for some new bracelets coming up. Next, we got some light purple 100 pieces, and this is a strand. A 100 piece strand of yellow. This bracelet set, it will come with a pink turtle. It is called Spring Bloom. These will be available for purchase on my Etsy, on my Mercari, and my TikTok shop on Tuesday, April the 8th. They look like this. They're really nice and bright. The first pack are some strawberry charms. It comes in a 10-pack. They look like that. Next, I got a pack of button charms in silver. If you know what I needed the blue, the dark blue, and the yellow for, it will kind of come together, but it comes in a 10-piece. They are super cute little cell phones, and I want to do like a Mean Girl inspired bracelet using this. Hello. They're super cute and tiny. I don't know what made me purchase a 50-pack of these. I use these a lot in my Spider-Man bracelets, other bracelets. I use these silver diamond spacers a lot. This is that 8mm size. That is a 50-pack. because I also bought this bag, 8mm size, and this is a 600 piece. I go through so many of these, so I just stocked up. Most recent, if you have a video for request, check out my post or my community tab to put your request there. But that is pretty much full. I also got some in gold. This is a 50 pack. Some of these silver crowns. This is a repurchase. I have a bracelet called Pretty Princess that I use these for, but I have another bracelet set that I'm coming out that I need, so I can use it for either. But they're just silver crowns, and it's a 20 piece pack of 20. I'm sorry, not 20. 12 piece frog charms. These are cute. If you know where I'm going with this. If you know, you know. But yeah, these are super cute frog charms. Next, this is also a repurchase. I ran out of these. I think I had one left. These are some silver bows. I love this shape of bows. I have a lot of different kinds of bows, but I think this one is my favorite shape. So I just repurchased those. These are split rings for my charms. I got the 8mm size. Sorry, my voice. This is the gold. It comes with 200 pieces. And I got it in silver and gold. Another essential item are jump rings. I got this little silver and gold kit. It comes with a bunch of different sizes, and I'm so glad I got this because I almost didn't get it. But I'm gonna need the smallest size for CB bracelets for charms. So yeah, they come with silver and gold jump rings, and then a jump ring opener. This is an element I use for my couples bracelets. These are magnetic hearts. You take 2 bracelets, you attach them to each bracelet, and then you can connect them to make a heart. It's magnetic. So I picked up a 12 piece silver, and then I got this 10 piece mix set. They're the same deal, they're just in silver and gold. Packs of vinyl or waterproof stickers. I'll give these away for freebies. And I love to get the cowgirl set. I think it's 50 pieces, 55 pieces, sorry. Yes, 55 stickers. And they're just cowgirl themed and disco. That one is cute. Cute, cute, cute. This is a 50 piece. I'm gonna give you this skew. And these are some super cute sea turtles, but they have flowers. Oh my gosh, I'm keeping this one. That one is cute. But they're sea turtles. I'm keeping this one too. But they have flowers. 2 of my favorite things. Ocean themes and florals. Keeping that one. I like to put these on my water bottles. But they're super cute and I couldn't pass them up. Little crybabies. and they're focal beads. They're drilled all the way through, and I can put these on pins. So it comes with 2 blue, 2 purple, and 1 pink. But they're little crybabies. Look at the 3D tears. And they have like an iridescent sheen to them that they're really shiny. It comes in a 5-pack. This is not the right bag, but I got a random 10-pack of rhinestone beads. And I think these are 12 in them. These are the colors I got. The silver one is like gray. So tiny. Really don't like this mix. This is I'm gonna show you the SKU. This is a 10-pack of fluffy, I think they're called fluffy beads for pins, and I only got a 9-pack, which is okay, but I don't like the color choices. That one is dirty. It has red on it, the red fluff, but these are super cute, and I'm gonna use them for pins. 10-pack of beaded pins, and I love the color choices on these. But yeah, you get solid colors and then you get ombre colors. But yeah, that is it, guys. I'm gonna show you some pins I have finished that will be going up on my shop tomorrow also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for the next video, which I'm pretty sure is going to be a bracelet making video. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.